Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev Kumar BGP. We can see that whole IT industry is in consolidation phase since last more than 2 years. And in the same time, some companies are growing rapidly. When you check the chart of Infosys or TCS or Wipro, these are the biggest player in IT industry. They all are in consolidation phase. But in the same time, you can see the chart of persistent system. It is growing rapidly. So in this video, we will do deep analysis that what is the reason behind it, why this company is growing rapidly. For that, I want to share my presentation file and TradingView website as well as Skinner.in website. This is the small disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor and I'm creating this video only for the educational purpose. These companies are not my recommendation. So when you see the chart of TCS, you can see that the highest in 2020 January, share price was 3,744. When I put the horizontal line here, after then this share price was in a consolidation phase. Okay, and here you can see there is a breakout, but this breakout is become fail. Again, we see there is again one breakout, but again it is showing fail. So at present, price is 4,079 rupees. And when you calculate from this line, I think this is approx 8%. In more than 2 years, it is given only 8% return. When you check the chart of Infosys, Infosys is also a biggest player in IT sector, and the share price was 1,809 in January 2022, and today in 2024 October price is still same. It means this company is also in a consolidation phase. When you check the chart of Wipro Limited, Wipro is in downtrend. It started uptrend. So from January 24 at the share price is in uh, I think from here to here you can check it is more than 20% down. Okay. And when you check the index IT and index IT is also in consolidation phase since 2022 January. Okay. And when you check the chart of persistent system, you can see here it is growing rapidly, and it is growing from here this is the breakout candle from July 2020. In July 2020 share price was 340, and December 2021 in 1 year 2,300. It means from here 300 to 2,300, almost 7x in only 1 year. And from here you can see it is in a consolidation phase. Now it gave the breakout from here August 23 to August 24. Here you can see the share price is 2,500. Now share price is more than 5,000. It become doubled in 1 year again. So in this presentation file, you will understand that why. Market cap is mid cap sector IT and industry IT software. In IT sector, we understand how many industries coming under IT sector. One is BPO industry, second is IT education, third is IT software, fourth is e-commerce, fifth is IT networking, sixth is fintech. These all are the industries who come under IT sector. This is sector analysis slide. According to India Brand Equity Foundation, the IT industry accounted for 7.5% in India GDP. Like in 2023, the contribution of IT industry was 7.5%, and it is expected to contribute 10% in India GDP by 2025. It means there is huge chance to grow in IT industry. And one more data, according to the report published by Microsoft, consultancy firm Bain and Company, and industry body Internet and Mobile Association of India, India produced 16% of the entire world's AI talent pool. And this is the third highest in the world. And here is also a very good data. You can see IT industry in India is going to hit 350 billion mark by 2026. And this data is according to DPIIT. According to DPIIT, actually FDI invested $102.9 billion in last 24 years, 2000 to 2024. FDI invested $102.9 billion, and it is coming in second rank in terms of sector. When you check the FDI investment in other sector, IT industry is coming at second level. According to IDC, revenue of India's public cloud service market total is 8.3 billion in 2023, and it is expected to reach 24.2 billion by 2028 at the rate of 23.8 CAGR. It is huge. Now, this is the introduction slides of Persistent Systems. Founded in 1990, and it has grown into a trusted digital engineering and enterprise modernization partner. Persistent System operates in US, France, India, South Africa, Singapore, Japan, and Australia. And the headquarters are in Pune, that is in Maharashtra, India. Persistent System has maintained revenue CAGR is 24% in last 4 years. This company is recognized as a leader in the digital engineering service in the US and Europe, according to ISG. This company offers service in cloud computing, endpoint security, big data analytics, and software product engineering. And the client of this company is in banking and financial services, insurance services, healthcare, life science, industrial, software, and high tech, telecom and media, and consumer tech. When you check the revenue, so revenue comes from 80.7% from North America, 7.8% from Europe, and 9.8% from India. This company is recognized as the ecosystem orchestrator of choice, collaborating with a wide network of partners, including key partnership with Google Cloud, Snowflake, Salesforce, and IBM. Overall, Persistence has alliance with more than 17,000 certified professionals across multiple platforms to deliver cutting-edge solutions. This is the revenue pie chart. As I already discussed that revenue comes from North America is 80%, from India 10%, from Europe 8%, and rest of the world 2%. And you check the shareholding pattern, promoters holding is 31%, FII 23%, DII 27%, public 17%, and others 2%. This is the fundamental analysis chart. Market cap is 85,916 crore and stock P is 73, higher than industry P, but nothing to worry about it. I will discuss in further slide. ROC is more than 15%, and when you check the ROC 5-year and 7-year average is also more than 15%. ROE is also good. Sales growth is also more than 15%. Profit growth is 22%. Very good. It's fantastic. Pledge percentage is 0. Debt to equity is negligible. Promoters holding 30%. It is less. Earning per share 76. Good. OPM is more than 17%. It is also good. You can say that fundamentally company is fundamentally strong. Nothing to worry about it. This is the financial slides. When you see the sales or revenue is increasing, okay, year on year, and operating profit is also, you can see here, it is also growing, and net profit is also increasing. 301, 323, 690, 921, 1000, 1171 trailing 12 months. So it is very good. When you check the EPS and PE, EPS is also increasing and PE is growing. It means share price is increasing. That is why PE is also growing. This is the technical analysis. We have already done technical analysis in the trading view. You can see here. Here you can see that share was in consolidation phase. In 1 year, it has given more than 5x return. Again, came under consolidation phase. In last year, it has given 2x return and is still growing. So if you want to invest at present, if you are not holding this company, you can buy at this current price. And if you are already holding and you want to add, you can add here. But you should not sell. If you are holding and you are making good profit, your portfolio is showing good profit and you want to book the profit, it is not the time to sell or exit. So you should hold this company. That's all from my side. If you see anything valuable in this video, please press the like button. And if you really want to support me, please share my channel to all your friends and relatives. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed as yet my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel, my video.